What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 27th of July, heading into the end of the month here. 1 month into summer here, just about heading into the second month of summer. We're taking a look at Casper this morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. Ticker symbol CSPR USDT Casper/Tether. Currently up a nice 2.65% this morning. We have seen a decent amount of volatility recently for Casper. We're going to talk about a couple different levels here on the chart. Potentially some things moving forward here. Share some of my thoughts. As always, guys, not financial advice. Please make your own financial decisions. Let's close up that watch list. Let's get into the chart. So going back about a week or so, we saw a very, very nice move off of some support levels down there, 361, 366, 365. We had a 10.9 and a 2.2% rally in 2 days. Unfortunately, that ran into some resistance up here at the 415 level, pushed it all the way back down. On the positive side, guys, that is a higher low so far, and it came in just about at the 370 support. So we had this break down here into support at the 361 level. Big move up to 415, which is a higher high. Pullback so far. This is a higher low, and we're waiting for another higher high to take place here. So that is quite bullish for Casper. So don't lose hope here. It's looking like this thing is getting ready to really start to move to the upside. This was not the strongest close we saw on the 23rd. It was a little weak. We closed at the lower end of the range, big candle wick, and that was not bullish. If we flipped that the other way and closed in the upper end of the range, that would have been quite a bit more bullish. Although it was a higher high, it was a nice breakout. The close was weak, and it was followed by 1, 2, 3 days here, all the way into not a full retrace, obviously, but quite a bit to the downside and move. But it is a higher low, and it is at support. So this thing could be ready to pop to the upside. Today, we have a nice higher low on today's candle. We're moving up 2.65%. So we could see a nice breakout take place here. The pullback that took place over here came in right at these ranges that we were talking about in the last couple Casper videos, which are the price of 361, 65, and 70, all within this previous range back in January to March of 2023 of this year. So that is what I see on Casper. Of course, I have all my levels here. So if you can't look at your screen right now, if you're in the car or something like that, go back when you can, and you'll see all of the levels on the chart above and below the market. So those are all levels of potential support and resistance. Support below the market, resistance above the market, and they act as targets. So next in line here, if this market continues higher, 0.0395 would be that level. We're trading at 388, and then above that, it's 415, 435, 456, 509, and so on. So take a look at that screen when you have a chance, and then below the market, it's this cluster right here. So 7065, 6361, and then below that, 334, 318, 313, and then 10. So that's what I'm watching as this thing potentially moves higher here. And I've talked about this in other videos that when markets pull back, crypto, stocks, futures, whatever the case may be, they pull back, they rally. So this is a higher high. Then they pull back again. When they print this higher low, your warning signs should be going off. And what that means is we could see a move to follow, which gives us another higher high, and it can be a very strong leg to the upside. Seen it countless times. So keep your eye on that. That could take place quick. I know most of you are long Casper. You kind of just buy maybe dollar cost average or so. But if you're looking to get into this thing, if I was looking to get into this thing, we'll say, I would be really keeping my eye on this, because this thing could really start to move up very quick and print another higher high. And these legs can be very strong. The reason behind it is people get short once again on this pullback, thinking we're going to go down and put in another lower low. And then they push the market the other way. And then in theory, shorts cover, which pushes the price up higher and higher. So if this is a higher low, which so far it is, the next leg would give us a higher high. We'd break this high right here on the 23rd and, potentially get us up to that 466 or so. At least that's my next target. That's also resistance from over in here. So I think that's a good area to see the price get to. If we can make another higher high, that would put the price up about 20% from where it's at now. Let's jump over to Bitcoin, guys. BTC. Bitcoin getting a nice move higher. Support came in at 29,143 right here. Next resistance up there at 30,141. My only concern is that this is a wedge here, which will break to the downside. So this might be a short-lived rally. And then if we break 29,143, it's down there to 28,249. So let's see if this can hold. If Bitcoin can really rally here and get above the 30,000, so 141, 186, 234, and head back up to 31,573, then more than likely the bottom will be in. And then we can hopefully head up to that $34,000 target I've had on the charts for a while. But one day at a time, one price level at a time. As far as Casper, this could be a higher low, which it is so far, and getting ready for that next higher high. But we got to get above 395. We got to get above 415. If we get above those, then we should print a higher high, and it's up to 435. No guarantees it'll happen. Takes a lot of things to come together for that to happen. But like I said, this was a very weak close, and you can see the market was followed by red candles. So we could get up to 395, and that could be it. That would be as strong as it'll get, and then it'll just range again for a while. A couple different scenarios. We'll see what plays out. Be open for all the scenarios. And yeah, good luck out there, guys. All right, take care.